I have never seen a recipe with chicken wings like this one. To begin, we'll put some oil in a pan, add honey, and 1.7 pounds of chicken wings. Let's keep mixing them. When they're like this, we'll add salt, pepper, paprika, 2 garlic cloves, and we'll mix again. This is one of my favorite ways to prepare chicken wings. You will love it. Now let's add soy sauce. Guys, take this moment to leave me in the comments where you're watching us from. I would love to know how far our video got. Now it's time for the secret ingredient. A bottle of beer. This gives it such a special taste. We leave the pan covered for a while. When they're like this, let's mix again. If you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to like the video. That really helps our work. Let's cover the pan again, and after some time, let's mix again. This smells so good, you have no idea. At the end of the video, leave me a grade from 1 to 10. It's very important for us to know what you think. And our recipe is ready. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye!